So this guy right here is asking, what's a better form of marketing for your junk removal business? Is it Facebook ads or Google ads? What's gonna bring you a bigger return on your investment? And honestly, this isn't a simple answer. There are a couple variables that will determine whether you can use Google ads or whether you should use Facebook ads and the differences between those two types of marketing. I'll start off by saying that Facebook ads doesn't work everywhere and neither does Google ads, but there is a big difference in what type of marketing you're doing. Google ads is something that is search-based intent marketing. This means that the person is actively looking for that service because they need it in that exact moment. As for Facebook ads, you're just popping up in front of people who might be local to your area that could utilize a service but don't need it. So right there, you already have friction in the amount of money those people are willing to pay. Somebody that actually needs a service versus somebody that could use it but doesn't really need it, if that makes sense to you. The next factor that we look at when we're running Google ads or Facebook ads is the size of the population that you live in. For example, I tell most people to not run Google ads if the population is under 250,000 people. And if you do run it, you should run it yourself. You should never hire somebody to run Google ads in a population under 250,000. The reason for that is there isn't enough searches happening on Google ads to justify paying somebody to run those ads for you. There won't be a significant amount of clicks and it won't be a good return on your investment. Now on the flip side of that, it could also be really dangerous to run ads in large cities with a lot of people and a lot of competition. The cost per click has gotten really expensive in most major cities, so be aware that that is happening and be careful to not overspend because you could easily do it. With that being said, in smaller populations, in smaller cities, it's actually a pretty good idea to run Facebook ads if you know how to run them the right way. The reason I think this is because if you live in a small population, the chances of you building brand awareness and becoming the go-to person in your local area for junk removal is much higher. Now I mentioned that there should be the right way to run Google ads. This means do not boost your post on Facebook and call it good. This also means utilizing your face, not just the truck. So there's something that has to do with psychology when you're running marketing campaigns. People want to connect with other people and they want to see faces. So the better your ad creatives are when you're running these ads, whether it's you on video or you in pictures, it's really important that you show your face rather than just showing trash on the side of the road or your truck on the side of the road. It's gonna go a long way and it's gonna feel a lot more personal. I hope this helps you come up with a better plan on either running Facebook ads for your business or Google ads for your business. I know that there are a lot of people with different ideas online that will give you their reasons why you should do something, but at the end of the day, I feel like you should try whatever it is that you wanna do in your specific city, because what might be working for somebody in one city across the country might actually work for you. You never know, so just try a little bit of everything and see what sticks. Once it sticks, just make sure that the numbers make sense, and at that point you can start scaling that campaign or whatever it is that you're doing or working on that is helping your junk removal business. If you want more helpful tips like this, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you want one-on-one help with your marketing, you can call 503-914-7250 or visit junkremovalmoney.com. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.